Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Solution. Today we are going to learn how to unlock any Samsung SIM network unlock pin or invalid SIM card without credit. Unlimited unlock solution. If you buy this solution you can unlock many model Samsung phone SIM network lock, like Direct Unlock, Samsung T-Mobile, Sprint, Metro PCS, Verizon TracFone, Samsung A3 2017, J3 Pro, A5 2017, S8, S8 Plus, G935T, J327T, J327P, J727T and many other Samsung new model phone. Check description for more information. If you want to buy this solution, please contact me by WhatsApp. Please hit the like button and share this video. If you have any question, please comment in comment section. Thanks for watching my tutorial. I will see you next tutorial. Have a good day.